back with Jennifer Lopez, and now we are going to bring out your fellow judges and host for your show, World of Dance. Please welcome Jenna Dewan, Jenna Dewan, sorry. I have to say before we go to break, I'm so sorry I introduced you, and it was just such a habit, and I have to say the way that you and Channing are handling everything is beautiful, and for your daughter, and the statements have been great.
Thank
and
you.
I apologize that I just have known both of you for so long, and I'm so used to saying.
I know. Thank you.
Yeah.
And I mean, honestly, thank you and everybody for all the love and the support. I mean, it's truly like